at Super Silly Funland.
Hello, Silly, welcome back. Please remain seated until the rack touches the ground. Thank you.
Silly Swirlers, please be advised that the following safety requirements. Persons who have heart conditions or abnormal blood pressure, back, neck, or similar physical conditions are expected to are susceptible to motion sickness or dizziness and have fewer rights or have recent surgery. It's swirl time! Here we go! Welcome back, silly swirlers. Please remain seated in your ride cabin until it has come to a complete stop. Unbuckle your seatbelt, gather your belongings, and follow the signs towards the nearest exit. We hope you enjoyed your swirl and enjoy the rest of your day at Super Silly Funland.
欢迎回来，在乘骑车厢完全停止之前，请勿起身。
Welcome back, Silly Swirlers. Please ensure that you're seated until the ride comes to a full and complete stop.
按照指示由最近的出口离开。我们希望您喜欢这次蒙乐旋漩涡体验，祝你接下来在超级蒙乐岛玩得开心。
Per row, and not more than 4 riders per ride cabin. Lap sitting is not permitted. Once seated, passengers